Good morning, my name is Regina and I'm in Mathematical Science Year 1. This is what I've created so far is scam sense. So it helps like users detect whether what they have received, like a link or a message, is a scam or not. So I felt that this was very useful for users as it first like calms them down. So when like they receive like a message which causes their cycle to panic, then it helps, at least like gives them someone to talk to in the sense, and then calms them down. And this also will tell you what are the next steps you should do when you encounter this kind of problems. So for example, right, these are some like prompts that perhaps you face. For example, like if you've lost money, right, what you should do. Then you just simply click on this button and ask the AI. Then it will give you like a list of things to do and like what you should do. And then the whole point of this was to adopt like a guardian voice, so that it tells you not to panic and everything. Yeah. And these are like some of the steps that you could do to once you have like, for example, like lost money. Then not only that, if like, let's say you have like been given a message, you can just copy and paste here. So for example, this is my own, like the message I received for a parcel that I was supposed to go and collect. So for me is that I checked that it's not a scam and it's like a real message here. Then this tells me what is this about and whether or not like it is actually a scam or not. So like, even though it's not a scam, right, it tells me to still stay cautious and not just blindly follow everything that I see. Yeah, so in this way, like you're able to like raise awareness and like be more mindful as the next time you see a certain message like that.
Fantastic. Let's give it a round of applause. So this is a very, very big issue in Singapore, and I've actually almost been caught with a scam before, believe it or not, only in Singapore, and I'm from South Africa, so I thought I would be okay, but I think this is a fantastic solution that's needed. Can you talk to me a little bit about your learning over the last three days, and if you have ever built out an AI agent or done any form of coding before?
I did learn some coding in school. Even then, it was my first time encountering coding. And in general, for AI, I rarely used AI on my own. So all this is very new to me. So I was actually quite shocked when I learned how like AI could like create a whole database and like help you create notes even. And I realized that this can be very, very useful for my studies especially. I'll definitely like use this, all this information that I've learned today to like use in my next few years of school.
Fantastic, I'm really happy to hear that. What was the most difficult thing over the last 3 days to comprehend, or what was challenging you the most, if anything?
Definitely what was challenging to me was, generally I understood the whole pathway and network that I was supposed to do, but I felt that the most difficult thing for me was creating prompts for the AI, as one wrong word or like one small missing details can make the whole system make the whole AI give you wrong information and drift very far away from what you're intended to do.
Got it. When we started the course, I asked everyone if they're worried about getting a job or going forward into the job market. Last question from my side is, do you feel, and I promised that I'd try and give you some superpowers, do you feel like you've elevated? Do you feel like you have a new sense of capability?
Yes, I definitely feel like I've gained some form of superpower from this workshop because I realized how powerful AI can be and how like it makes the whole work process very, very much more efficient.
So you went from being an AI user, it would be fair to say you're a builder, you've built a second brain, you've built AI agents, teams of agents, dashboards, and a fully fledged website, with an agent in the website. Now, would you say you're an orchestrator? Does that make a bit more sense on how you can orchestrate different AI projects or products to get a result? Would that be fair? You feel like you can orchestrate AI?
Yes, I feel like I've definitely learned how to orchestrate AI, especially when it's two different like separate AIs and I'm able to make them interact with each other.
Fantastic. Final round of applause. Well done.